UWAPAMO is a UWEZO accelerated project for adolescent mothers, and it deals with girls who are majorly rejected by the rigid education system, whereby the grading system can award an E or a fail to a person, yet that person's potential is very high and is to the A level. So what we do, we actually identify the talents and the potential within these girls or mothers. Then we actually align them to the entrepreneurship sphere by actually giving them a robust entrepreneurship mentorship program coupled with cottage industry manufacturing skills, like for example, making of detergents, making of soaps, making of lotions. Then they convert that skill into money through the skills we give them under entrepreneurship and innovation. Having achieved that one, rather than these guys being users, they'll be able now to produce their own products, sell them, and make money at the end of the day. Therefore, they are not useless at the end of the day. That is the deal. Thank you.